The reason for our visit in Ghent was a 1-week aggressive skater training. Just learning more basics, meeting nice skater folks, and above all, shredding the city with Tim. And that's what we did, not only during the day but also in the night, just skating hot shit. The week was special. Ryan Tellyn, our coach from UK, could really teach us a lot. The group was amazing and we had really special excursions with Tim, our city guide. Urban skating at its best in Antwerp and Ghent. Enjoy the video about Ghent. Antwerp hopefully can be watched on Tim's channel one day.
Beste studenten, welkom in de les. Vandaag heb ik 2 gasten uit Duitsland mee, Ulf en Jessica, en zij gaan een demonstratie geven in een inlineskate. Dus let allemaal goed op. Smakelijk en tot ziens. See you later. So this is the old energy plant of Ghent. Used to work on coals and energized factories, buildings. So these are old-fashioned alternators and generators and whatnot. This is ancient industrial history. There is even down below a bunker made for the Second World War, so the workers could hide in the bunker and keep the factory, the plant, working.
Separated by fences.
Yeah.
Friends still.
Yeah, we had to put a lock on it because sometimes there's events here and people and.
Yeah, nice to meet you here.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah.
There are certain days that every building here is open. We just skated into the big venue of the university. I did an indoor stair ride, and Jessica was. You were feeling uneasy because we were just making a racket.
I didn't know that you could just skate in here.
No one knows.
Yeah, voilà.
How are you doing?
Yeah, good.
You're on
skates?
Working,
eh?
So this place called the Wintercircus, and it actually was a winter circus. But when the circus moved away, it was turned into a garage. And the owner eventually put his old-timer collection in here, one of the biggest collections, old-timer collections in the whole world. And now the old-timers are gone, they're stored somewhere else, and this place is turned into a new technology hub, cultural hub, and there's a great bakery here too.
Wait,
Got a feeling.
where are we going to? Okay. No, I don't know where it's going to. Next one. Oh, ich sehe nix. Fährt einfach rein. Okay.
Shall we all get to Urban Alliance?
This is catching you in a cheap thing.
It's very fine too. The fruit, So this was our international course on urban and wizard skating in Ghent. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Danke bitte schön. Goodbye. We're so exhausted.